Hi, we're here at the 2011 TDWI World Conference in San Diego, California. I'm here today with Lisa Phillips and Matt Lauer, who are with Quicken Loans. They're our 2011 Best Practice Award winner in Enterprise Data Management. Lisa, can you tell us a little bit about what made you apply for the Best Practice Award?
Sure, absolutely. At Quicken Loans, we got a few things that we need to make sure that we take care of. And the first thing is that our data is so vital to business decisions that we have to make sure that it's available and that we keep up with things like compliance. And, we are a financial industry. We have to keep up with compliance and make sure that we are supporting the business 100% of the time. And in order to do that, I feel that we manage our data. We have certain strategies and certain tools and techniques that really cater to our business, and that's what led me to apply.
Great. And so can you tell me a little bit about your story and the case study?
Sure, absolutely. I highlighted a few things. One of them was our disaster recovery strategy, which ensures that our data is always available. We move the data around and we manage it. We play administrators and ETL developers, everything that runs the gamut of data warehousing. And one of the things that we do is we have two sites, and in most DR situations or disaster recovery situations, you have one site that's dark, no one's using it. And we leverage that site for our analysts for heavy hitting queries, and so we've been able to bring value to the business by leveraging that site, as well as taking some load off of our site where their users are making their decisions. So that's one way. Another way is that we have to manage the query performance, and we do that with indexing. We have a strong indexing strategy, which we now have several tools to help us keep the data online, as well as make sure that it performs well. And the final thing would be to make sure that we're keeping up with our make sure that we can actually deliver as quickly as we can. And to do that, we've built several tools in order to do that. And Matt can probably delve into that a little bit more.
Great, thanks so much, Lisa. Matt, do you want to talk a little bit about some of the tools you've used?
Yes, some of the tools that have been developed in the past few years, we have the ability to automatically process and partition cubes. We've recently developed a framework using .NET and WPF to administer many of the SQL server tools. Things like we're able to dynamically build ETL packages and data warehouse tables by just looking at a source system. The disaster recovery process that Lisa just talked about, we're able to set that up for databases at a moment's notice. We're able to analyze things on the servers like active processes. We can analyze indexes. And we, in general, we just have we can administer, again, any tool any process that we're using on the servers. So, and finally, we also build other things in .NET right now. Like we've built a custom web services layer on top of our OLAP cubes in order to deliver data to software developers that might not have the BI skill set. So, we definitely look to build and innovate whenever we possibly can.
Fabulous. So what advice would you have for people looking to apply for a Best Practice Award?
Well, I think really an honest look at where you are, I think people are really clear on what they do well. And I think that, if you've got a mature data warehouse or you're just really innovative, just take the chance and apply. Think about it, really objectively, what it is you're doing and what other people might benefit from seeing in a paper.
Great. Matt, any advice from you?
Well, I tend to think that, take time to try to, innovate, look at things that you could do better in your environment. And then when you do that, appreciate kind of what you've done and, publicize that, let the world know, because you might be coming up with solutions that maybe other people could leverage and they could, institute as best practices in their environment.
Great. Well, thank you both for your time today, and congratulations again on your Best Practices Award. Thank you.